in this World Press Conference here is no other person than His Royal Majesty Obi of Igbo, Obi Blessing Igbo of Igbo. The second person by his right is the Obi of Ota Kingdom. It's Obi Dr. Julius Isito Chukwuye. Only son Obi of Holy Kingdom, Igbanke. If you are coming to Igbanke, the first community by that junction there, that is Holy community. Yeah, maybe Chukwu, Obi Chukwu, His Royal Highness, Obi Chukwuka. Chukwu, Adozie, retired DSS from Igbanke. Lady Ahu the Ologun of Obiogba in Ake, Igbanke. Ngazi Shahu Bitozi, the Vice President of Ake Family Union, Mr. Ozabo Monday. Fabulous. Igato, Alasa. No. So, when are you going to introduce yourself?
Prince Tony Chooks, President General of our Community Development Union.
Alasa.
The Family Union Chairman.
Okay. The Igbo Family Union President Home Branch. Introduce my elder brother, Chief Gabriel Obekile, Onyewe of Omulwa Kingdom. Then when I knew Pastor Adagmon Silva, my friend, Pastor Ayo, is the president of MEN, when we are supporters in Ned Moko, and we get a library, honestly, almost somewhere.
Peter PJ with FCA, Aki community member.
So Aki is fully represented. I think with time, Kejala do some effort. But when we're supporting Aki strategic group members, and one of them is Mr. Alfred Ogboy, Mr. Siva Omao, when you do. Indians already got a telephone, when pastor. So the next item is addressing the press. Before that, Johnny Yegu, the Obi of Ota Kingdom, His Royal Highness Julius Isito Chukwuye, Doctor Yegu, yeah, microphone.
There's a match.
Nei bake rima, nei bake mase. Yondo ani de chawo bake, and they are the shinere bake den Israel. Ota hode, Ake hode, Olije hode, Idmodi hode, Omolwa hode, Igboto hode, Igbake General Israel. Position yawa achao akpanyano. Ndị kehio wa kamo nalo mundu inyanje kuone ebende kahe ono diele nde kiale lende ke kobia lende ke family union ino diale ezuelewe ya ne igbaka imwele efuhu le onuhu onye ri agwa yone onye ri ekuzi ori ekwu azu maka na okwu azu ya we egu and electoral ekwenyi ogbonanyi ile marilene ne ihe ri emeso mani alidu no wando ese no de abiazili du no de abiazile abudu ne lo ho han ẹ̀yin gidi ekwoku ijeme anyoma ọ̀nà lọ́hùn hàn ẹ̀ẹ́gẹ̀rẹ̀ apambo n'ihe na-eblala n'ẹ̀zọ̀ ọ̀pàyé ẹ̀lẹ́ ya hàn ńláchọ́ní sọm ìmẹ̀rìmẹ̀yìn mmarị ní òtẹ̀lẹ̀ kẹmẹ́wàrí skul because akpọ̀ ọfịa lụzọ lechari agbọ̀ nwere bụ awasịm mmele we arụ ele ọhụmọhụma nation but ne organ organ but we say only organ ya we dikan organ organ and say no organ maka no kan that na ihe ria fa ihu ni o ja karagan ko ben so ihe ria ge ku one ndị nke ime our platform ndị ahụ we say hon ne ya saka ndị nzewere mama ni na ari ni wa kan we mama na mana onye ohu edojale alila sakamana ere 100 persons cannot come and repair the community. It's not done. Either 1 person or 2 person or 3 person. So onye lege ebu one ndị market strategies group and lay on the chineme ndị akụkọ ụwa socio-cultural group lay on the chineme ndị share ndị usome family union president and vice president Leon Ejineme ndị nze mpumpu ndị marine ukpo nediwe ya kwere elu enwari nediwe ka nediwe buhe from mmụọ kweze apịa wẹ́ẹ̀kì turu ní yes ní ukponadiwe anahikowe ní ukponadiwe n'onye ọza anahikowe ya n'eyọnụ ejineme maka na onye chụle na-alị anahịa so n'eyọnụ ejineme ọnụ dị nọdị enema nnedi isitọ usafile ya ga-ekwogo si nwa n'ihe adagbu ya ugwu se ogbe ní ihe àdàgbò ya ukwu se so ihe oge ẹ̀kọ́ ní egwu ya ṣí àsán maka na egwu ya ka ihe egwu nwa atụ egwu onye ọbụla atụ egwu ịba ihe ọfụkemeka ọrụ ere Nigeria ebe na owu ere obodo ebe owu emere ya atụ egwu already difficult to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Because in this one is a one come there, yet you go in the Ibozo Jenny, can you let it can well and the one jelly and one away. In those Zamani, in the media jelly when you channel and you want a chip, okay, I can't join. Yeah, and then Bogey say, Mborema, a ball, I must say. So, I can lie back in the general. Well, to Boku, to me, not the back. Ebu esi ko ya ka makara ebu ere osu obia wo orere mmayo obia no o wani ihe ka ga nya hepo ndeze ka lario lende gbake wegila atugbere wegila ndeze atugbere webuzile bi echeso mani imeri ndi ahụ ayamano na ila saka nwobi o ndị enwe obi egwu onwe ndị nwere n'obi egwu igwere tawo ayesi na igore ayesi na bi ya no darwale onwe ni ya de mani mgbe ogo ka anwụ kati ewu obi so anwụ all the moment, what's in all my call? Be our no slogan, my head. That's where what's in the year, model. When I command the watch champion, the child who, when I got quality, I could con Easy TV. Carrying on with our brother. When I analyzing homo,
Where's the chima?
I thank God when I you're the final Almighty. When analysis on analysis somebody but I'm looking for cool doesn't change my because I'm not aware the document is there. The problem well watch on we cool down man. Watch on cool well to their own favor. But the back here is some is on it. Indeed, market. We will really. Ere ndi otumunye. We will put you cheap. So here ndi ahu ama kema here ama kama nini here hayo ama. Kansuzu o ama. Kan ehwa dazo. Ihe was on the politics o ama. Politics on na azo ketu wegbede. O wani ha na achieve. Ndị mbụ ekwu ewesị nyele esu ezọkụ oyi n'olu ukwu zọkụ na ahụ eyi olu ihe ndị ekwu ani anyone iwu ndị ize wesị nọdị n'ụlọ amana olu ọhụ eyi na ise ihu emele nọ n'ama na anyị sọpụzi eyi olu maka na da onwe ihe ka na hịna anyị bete anyị wasị na onwe ihe ma kedi adam o nwere ihe dị adam na ihe ka hụrụ nke ahụ kedi adam onye lada yiwa ezigodi onye omi o onye ihe lada because what do nwata wese akọle ka zụ ali enyi na imani na ali enyi wa ali enyi ori ma donye olejela agụ the history of his place yamani bia yamani amare akwụkwọ jundi jundi mare akwụkwọ so ekọrin iso mare so that amani wa adu iwo kyoso ele because of me the actual SSA yekume hu mare leni oni the actual SSA ihwa yekume hu mare leni common councilor you are not there so ihe na erera ore na lenyanya the situation Edo and Delta is there ebu esi ya ketere ya ni na agha ahụ ya na ebere la ne ihe aka ya refidi ama na agha bịa na oke ya mere so ya nya echo na mare ko na eso mare and the man olalala ndị ya aka to na nse ya ọbịa ka ọhụ na-eme hụ wele mile olalala no two ways about it politics wa mari anu no za saka ebu ndị hepa the same thing ka mari anu no saka koko mani anioma oshimele ayi bofu ofu obi onwe ndị se no obi it's a distance of ihe ngile kunye ni ode ndị ụmụnne ndị nze ndị ọsọ amarịkanị ihe ndị nwe then ndị ịgbake sọmọtem amarịkanị ihe ndị nwe mmewarị belong to different group ọhụmọhụma so abanye sọmene m ime ọhụmọhụma so ihe na ịchụkọ obere ịchụkọ sọme and ike nwe ha sịrị ya nọ ịnọ
ndị ogbenye ọma onye hụ na kọleji Igbo Ezuetv eziokwu onye ose ụbanye ya ọnụ mmanya wee kwenye kwemi achahụ agwọrọ nọ at the beginning that ne o nwere penye ayokwe ya bịaka and again apụọla eziokwu enwe many challenges on behalf of you people. Ni hawa kwe ni ono na the mobile wo ono kika fun hun. Ẹ̀yin tí ṣe é mari wọ̀nyí ẹ̀yin kò ẹlẹ́ni ẹ̀yin kìkà sọ. Ẹ̀yin sì wẹ̀ ọmọ náà ọrùn náà ẹ̀gbìn mẹ́. Ọmọ náà ọrùn ní ó mọ ẹ̀yin udo yìí lọ́la ó ẹ̀ mari náà wọ àgbọ̀ yìí n'ẹ̀yin kìkà sọ. Àbí ilé wẹ̀ ìmẹ̀yìn bẹ́ẹ̀. And you want the representative of the obese in the bank. Harris Clark. Ndị obiala ni etofula no kuwa. Ẹ̀yin ni representing the bank. Current concern and behind you people. And the way forward of Anyoma up Abo. And Yabayele. One letter when they go, if I can make you sorry, down to who a lack cook. Frankie Mewe, if I am a Erugula, or several only who are doing not to. And also when we or someone also to near Yamaha also for Jesus' name.
Legend was His Royal Majesty, Mr. Sunday.
Lena Dua is below to me. I cannot be with any miracle. And so on a book more coffee. Then the channel my music not so for. When did I be a back in Wazan? But when there is any work in general home, a bull. Yeah, let them know anyone. I want to make them a bull. And also on a battle. Look at Iso Tanoku. Memoir, mainly social media, mainly YouTube. Mahunk, this particular guy, Almighty, in our fire, on fire, what we use yourself. Over document to where 1934 document from Olije. Met with that document from my father's box. So, can no one post with that document? I want to call a fire. We don't want to more about ourselves. 1934. Even you do not know. So nobody said we came more at that time. What they did me. So, every teacher who document, document was it just also who are home. Then we're pushing out all the way from the houses and where anyone on that penny who soon let him last from 1934. That was the Obi in our district. No, we got the letter, no, we're not living just also there. So, document it to Molo, and then more like say, we will do with it or I'm not going all my course I don't so oh no, they actually was very on.
You see, we the members of the banking strategic group we wouldn't have achieved anything if not for the backup of our traditional rulers. The lady in 2026, there will be many this Anyoma agenda or what. In our program, the next one is reading of the press, and introduce our brother, Pastor Silva Adamo, Also, on a here may be a building there. On a Dodoni, no receiving of calls, no noise, no distraction, no phone should ring, put your phones on silent. You want to be well coordinated, please. Okay, Alwana. Then the honor to any happy print only everybody at that, but maybe before and you finish actually so that everybody will go home with it, so that every man Oku and your man begin to help us to sensitize others at home, your friends, your relations, tell them about the good thing that is coming. Anyoma is a good thing that is coming. Anyoma is a vision, both for the present and generations to come. Where they can enjoy it. So we can wear it out, and I don't know where you are. Abi? Also, we are talking about everybody in the legend, Asana Karwa, and you are Karwa. And then more back in the Karwa. You can say Jehovah, Jesus Christ, and as a Karwa. Back in the Karwa, and they must need this well, no, like in Helena, no, a John, well, this. Oh, my will not share because my but a banking will be liberated from this darkness in the name of Jesus. Our brother, it's time for you. Thank you.
Any bank strategy group, I can come down there. Where if you get it going, behind the president, I can come down there. Line the tunnel on the belly going, and our was in a back who let engines it down who can Anoma is reality. There's no going back. So, gentlemen of the press, this is the World Press Conference by Igbo Strategic Group to sensitize the Igbo on the proposed Anoma State Creation Bill. We have called the World Conference, the World Press Conference today, being June 26, 2025, to sensitize our people on the opportunity being presented. Present here today are our traditional rulers, chiefs, elders, members of Igbo Strategic Group, and other Igbo indigenes from various walks of life. Introduction. Igbo is an Anoma Ika-speaking community detailed within the administrative. Domicile within the administrative presence of Orion local government areas and consists of 6 autonomous communities, namely Ake Obiogba, Igmodi, Igbonto Ibiru, Oligie, Omoloa, and Ota, which are presently administered in Orion local government area of Edo State. Igbo share a common boundary with Mbiri in the Ghana Northeast local government area of Delta State on the eastern flank, and on the west, we share boundaries with Uraga in the local government area of Edo State, and on the northern flank, Igbo share a boundary with Eko, another Eka-speaking community in Igbo local government area of Edo State. And to the south with Abo and Ozanogogo, our neighbors in Eka South local government area of Delta State. Historical facts, Igbo before the 19th century. Igbo community in the present location is nomenclature, and our Eka identity predated the 12th century. And neighboring communities in Esa, Abo, and Benin identified us as Igbanke, a distinct town and area from their communities. Since the earliest time, Igbanke internal administration is headed by a king in each community and assisted by kingmakers, clan heads, elders, family heads. The age group Otu Okiane assist in the administration, especially in the enforcement of law. Igbanke speaks Igbanke dialect of Ika language. The communities in Igbanke have their tradition of origin, which trace their early ancestry to neighboring and distant Ika areas, including Indiri, Agbo, Ubuluku, Esaland, and Benin. Igbanke witnessed later immigrants from the Yoruba, Igbo, Urobo, Ishekiri areas, especially during the legitimate trade era, like other communities, through continuous trade, intermarriages, interactions during festivals and other events. Igbanke witnessed several immigrants into its areas, and amidst infiltration and through assimilation, maintained its unique Igbanke culture and the Igbanke dialect of the Ika language long before colonialism. From inception, Igbanke operates a patrilineal inheritance kingship system where the eldest son of a king inherits the throne. This is akin to the kingship system in Agbo, Benin, Esaland, and prominent town system in the southern part of the country. This culture had never been imposed, even when disputes arise in Igbanke. The people of Igbanke regarded themselves as one entity of autonomous communities with different kings, but no central leadership. In the pre-colonial era, Igbanke was a formidable warring community known for its economic, military, and supernatural prowess, and was famous throughout the region. This ensured that the people sustained their independence and acted as a balancer of power in an era of dog-eat-dog. Forming diplomatic, economic, and military alliance with diverse powers in the region until the colonial era. During the colonial era, Igbanke administration proved difficult as the independent town, which did not have a central government like its neighbors. And through the colonial policy of zoning and their divide and rule, Igbanke was placed first in the Asaba division, administered under Agbo district, where Igbanke attended the Agbo Native Council in 1907. Following their refusal to be administered under the Obi of Agbo due to ensuing land dispute and assault on the Igbanke priest that resulted in the Igbanke versus Agbo War in 1895, which hindered a smooth relationship between these two Ika communities, and the complaint of high-handedness of the Obi of Agbo towards the Indian Zay. Permit me to say that Indian Zay here is also known as Yodis. From the Igbanke. The Igbanke district was created in 1914, and its administration moved to the Benin division. Igbanke expressed diverse grievances against this administrative policy, especially given the language and cultural differences between the Igbanke and the Benin, and the distance of attending the Benin Native Council proceedings. They agitated vehemently against the Benin interference in their internal affairs and advocated for separate administration from Benin. Although the Banker Native Court was created in 1922 and the Native Court subsequently administered rationally by the 6 kings, Igbanke continued to be administered under the Benin division. Noteworthy is that while Igbanke district was administered under Benin division and the revenue from their resources channeled into the Benin native treasury, the colonial office ensured that Igbanke's development structure remained under the Agbo transport network system in its typical divide and rule policy. Up to the 1950s, several attempts were made by the colonial government to establish a centralized system in Igbanke, where the 6 communities would have single king like Agbo and Benin for easy administration. This proved futile until the 1950s, and Igbanke was part of the nationalist struggle that led to the independence of Nigeria in 1960. The administration of Igbanke since independence. Since independence in 1960, Igbanke has been part of the larger federal Nigerian government, administered with Benin under different entities to which it opposed at different times. Igbanke was under the Benin province in the western region up to 1963. When the Midwest region was created and under Bendel State from 1963 to 1991, with other Eka, Edo, and other people in the southern region, quite devoid of any interference. However, as a minority town administered in the Benin-speaking people in the same local government area, Igbanke has been immensely marginalized, discriminated against, neglected, and underdeveloped. There have also been different claims and counterclaims as to our identity and the ownership of Igbanke by diverse groups, including the Benin and the Igbo, despite its unique identity and the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which outline fundamental human rights and within the right in the broader Universal Declaration of Human Rights, specifically Article 27, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, particularly Article 15. It is important at this juncture to state categorically against that, again that Igbanke is an Eka community with its unique culture, and we speak the Igbanke dialect of the Eka language. Eka is an officially gazetted ethnic nationality which is indigenous to both Delta and Edo states, and also form a major bloc of the Anioma people. The agitation for the creation of Anioma state is a long-standing political and cultural movement in Nigeria, primarily driven by the people of the Anioma region located in the Delta North Senatorial District of Delta State, and the term Anioma is an acronym formed from the names of the major local government areas in the region, namely Aniocha, Ndokwa, Eka in both Delta and Edo states, and Oshimili. The name Anioma also means good land in the various communities making up the Anioma block. Benefits of Anioma state creation to Igbanke. Number one, cultural and ethnic affinity. Igbanke as an Eka-speaking community with strong cultural ties to the Anioma people would align with East people who share the same language, tradition, and values. Being part of Anioma state will also promote the preservation and promotion of Igbanke peculiar dialect, custom, indigenous spirituality, which may continue to be undermined and marginalized in the present Edo state. Number 2, political representation. In an ethnically homogeneous Anioma state, Igbanke will have a better political representation and influence than it presently does in the ethnically diverse Edo state. There is also the possibility of Igbanke local government being created within Anioma state, which will consist of all the autonomous Igbanke communities, and this will bring development rapidly to Igbanke. Number 3, economic development. There is the possibility of more investment in infrastructures like roads, education, healthcare, and agriculture, as well as access to a fairer allocation of state resources. Number 4, social cohesion and reduced marginalization. In our present Edo state, Igbanke remain a minority, but in the proposed Anioma state, we would be a majority and part of the larger Eka-speaking bloc within Anioma. Number 5, our traditional institution. Under the present arrangement in Edo state, our traditional rulers have been referred to as chief or enige when historical evidence in the pre- and post-colonial era showed that our kings have been fully autonomous and used the title Obi or Eze until Igbanke communities were moved to Benin division from Agbo, where they were previously administered by the British colonial masters. If Igbanke is included in the proposed Anioma state, our traditional institutions and culture stands a better chance to be protected from external influence and insult like we have in the present Edo state, where the state government failed to recognize our Ezes as kings, but classify them as entities under the Benin Kingdom. In Anioma state, our kings will be recognized, and no king in the proposed Anioma state will have the authority to suspend our king, who inherited their throne from their forefathers. Only the state government is vested with powers to suspend the king and not another king. Number 6, full autonomy of Igbanke. Under the present arrangement in Edo state, our people have been exhaustively oppressed and marginalized in everything. The fact that we are a minority, the fact that we are a minority and speak a Eka language, while majority of other communities in Orion local government and the larger Edo South Senatorial District speak Edo, that is the Benin language, is a problem that will continue to haunt us so long as we remain in Edo state, because the majority will always have their way, while the minority will have their say. If Igbanke is included in the new Anioma state, this lingering issue will finally be put to rest, because our Igbanke communities will now achieve full autonomy and independent status, and we will no longer be treated like vassals of the Benin Kingdom, which in 1979 military edict subjected our hitherto independent and autonomous traditional rulers and institutions to. Our kings in all the Igbanke communities will be seen and treated as equal with all other kings in the Anioma region, unlike the situation where our communities have been assigned to the derogatory name of dukedom through the obnoxious 1979 military edict. Before the summary, permit me to say something very clear. One of the reasons, which is not written here, that's why I just permit me, sir, is that Igbanke today, under Orion local government, have no direct access to the Orion local government headquarters. If you go to the right, before we access Abudu, which is the Orion local government headquarters, we need to cross another local government, Umude, to access our local government headquarters. If you go to the left, before Igbanke will access Abudu, which is the headquarters of Orion local government, we need to access Delta State, precisely a castle in Delta State before we can access it. So nature has actually made Igbanke not to be part of Benin. So whatever we are pressing on, I want to announce to us that nature and by God's divine providence, by God's divine plan, has actually vested Igbanke or seated Igbanke to Anioma. So we are not fighting a lost battle. How can it be said that you want to access your local government, you need to pass through another state to your own local government headquarters? It's unhelpful. It's unheard of. There is no direct access, but we have direct access to Anioma. All right, that's the record. In summary, being included in the proposed Anioma state will help us unite with our kids and kin and address the issue of socio-cultural exclusion and discrimination. It will aid in preserving our cultural heritage and bring growth and development to Igbanke land. There is no gainsaying that Igbanke is grossly underdeveloped in terms of infrastructure, roads, railway, schools, hospital, rural gratification, among others. The hospital Igbanke have today was built in the 60s by our late brother Igbo. Since then, there have not been government presence in Igbanke, whether local or state. So we have every reason to go to where we will be taken care of. Igbanke people are also being discriminated against and stereotyped by the Edo-speaking people on account of our Eka identity. I want to say here, during election, the Benin will come and say we are one. But after election, they will call us Owika. So I think there is need for us to go and meet our people. We are weaker. They told us that we are weaker. So why should we now handling to the Edo State Authority in Benin City appoint our sons and daughters to any meaningful or important position? And we are inadequately represented in offices such as the Commission on Inclusion and the Development of our land. We are a peaceful and law-abiding community and will continue to contribute to the economic growth, social cohesion, unity, peace, and progress towards sustainable development in Nigeria. Nebake, Marseille.
Thank you so much, brother. God bless you. In our program, after this address to the press, we have question and answer sessions. We'd like to ask the audience, from what our brother has read so far, if you have any question If you have any question, please, from what was being read now, please come out and ask your question, and we will answer you accordingly. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. No problem.
The Vice President, Ake Family General Group. I'm here representing my president. Almost in the Kuku, Azamala. Especially where money, I have by Guba, here, like Banosema and Ahumaza. So, I did your can lie your Kumuna. Did ask the Anyamawa, Okemushi, Mediala Okemushi. Ne, in Lario, no, Kemokushi, in the Mazur and Shosmo. Lario. Thank you so much.
Mr. Fabulous. Otelajo. Okay. I hope I'm a looter. You are advising them. So, one more question.
Okay. Thank you. Please, we have to entertain like 5 to 7 questions. As many people that want to ask questions, okay? If you want to get some clarifications, okay, on this question of the Anyoma State, please, you are free to come up and ask, and we are ready to answer you, please. After 2-3 questions we will answer, then we take another one.
No, Prophet, now from the start, no episode in the market. Okay, can I call you typhoon? No, baby. No, you're not typhoon. You're and 27, just can you Akuku, Chapel, launch the market. That challenge you are about that you want many Kisaja you on Terra Jacob, back of family. I can tell my can you put them what I did before? Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other person? Please, no, the truth are to be clear, so that you will wait. That wasn't there. You can convince people of this. Thank you.
I found your OT and so question and challenge to each and what they measure Alioma. Ejema Alioma, do me Abakone, so I want a very ship that I carry the measure. The secret stop is that the measure this Alioma. Ejema Alioma, I want a very alala that I customer carry better. So I don't know what they mean.
Thank you so much. I think the first person has asked the same question, okay? Almost going back to what you talked about, okay? Your last one.
There was so competition to too. But go tell well as natural. Understand committee very so power. When you West book kitchen a demand around.
You play very good time.
I wanted to make a very clear observation. When the questions they asked needed an answer. We are good. One of the answers is that we are already ready, because I like your statement, not your statement that is don't think. Number one, you should trace your heritage, your ancestry, and whether they like it or not, we fight now. If they refuse, we will continue to fight for it, not by kind of a revolutionary method or arsonist method or violence, but we'll continue to push for it. It's a movement. So we'll continue to agitate for our freedom. So there is no question of whether we will be able or not. So thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, our brother. I think we tried to answer some of the questions, but we answer them. My brother.
Hello, Macarena. This is Lord. It's a major as an architect or nation, one look at the whole life, Papa. The city, Russia, where will you know she? So, is that possible for them?
No.
Is that possible for them? Thank you.
Alwana, we will answer all the questions, and there is still opportunity to call for more questions. Okay, that is why we are here today. First, I want to introduce our brother, Pastor Ayo. He's SSA on media, to distinguished Senator Ned Nwoko. He's here with us present, and I want him to start answering some of the questions before we, the members of the Banking Strategy Group, will come in.
Anyị bi n'udo, ife ga-adị mma. Anyị bi n'udo, anyị ga-enwe mmeri. Ụmụnne ọma bịanụ, ka anyị were ofu obi na-ebi.
Okay, my name, I'm Apostle Ayo Ashidu, the National President of Movement for the Emancipation of Anioma Nation, me, and also SSA to the Senator on Mobilization. It is pathetic and some annoyance to what I have today. My heart is bleeding. How can a people be forced to marry a husband that doesn't know their value? It is time for a market to be free in Jesus' name. We are going to join forces. My brother just sent me some messages on my WhatsApp a few days ago. I am a group here, we are here in solidarity. To show people that we from that side of Anama are in support of this your movement to be free, to be emancipated, and to go out from the arena of entanglement to a place of prosperity. It is time for the market to be free. So most of the questions that is being asked today, the most important thing here is that now is the time. We are going to try forcing the market people to relate this issue to the senator today. I'm here, I came here to represent him, and I'm going to forward this thing to him. Because when I read it, I said this thing must go to our senator. So without wasting your time, I'm here to let you know that the senator himself is 100% supporting this movement. He's 100% fighting assiduously to make sure that the bankers are free and to join Anioma State. I had meeting with him several times, and he told us that the bankers are our brothers. And when I came here today, when my brother was speaking, I didn't see any affinity with those people at all. If the way the king dressed, the way all are dressed shows that we are the Aniomas. So I won't waste time talking. We are here to solidify with you people, to let people know that both the kings, the chiefs in that area, both Asaba and North Osubili, they are all supporting this fight to make sure that the banking people are free. So please, I want you to support this move. The bankers of the concept of the strategic group, they are doing greater work for this community. So I want all of you to join hands with them to make sure that your voices are heard. And with our own support, we are going to make sure that the bank, this is the time for you to be free. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother. I I want our brother, Pastor Adabon, to attend to some of the questions. Why are we on last? Thank you.
Permit me to stand up. You know, I'm a pastor, so we like standing. Sitting down and reading those things was like tying me down. All right. The first question, whether where we are going will not really badly from where we are coming. It is not. But where we are going, there is prospect and there's opportunity that here we will have a House of Assembly member, here we have our councillors, we have our chairman, we have everything. And let me also say it, so that our brother can tell the senator. In the entire Anyoma landscape, Ibange has the largest land to be used, land span to be used for any development, for anything at all. So Ibange can never be neglected and marginalized, just like we are suffering now. So we are very convinced, based on relationship and interaction questions, that Ibange will be on a high esteem when Anyoma comes into being by God's grace. It is a done deal. It is a done deal. What we don't need is to sensitize God, because the referendum is going to come up very soon. So it will not be strange, and that's what the essence of all this. Then the other one, whether we will be able to curtail our political brothers that are benefiting right now from Edo State. Yes. Normally, one thing that people resist is change. One thing that people resist is change. Everybody does not want to change. But it is when the change is now imposed and they now begin to see the benefit, they will have no choice but to see it.
Yes, they are correct.
To make a change demands a lot of sacrifice. And change is only caused by few people, not majority. Majority does not effect the change. It is few people that start to change. By the time they discover that the change is gaining ground, others will now begin to kick in. At the end, it's where any time, man. So it's normal. We are human beings. If I'm an SSA, for instance, or SA, or a councillor, and you are telling me to leave my place, I want to resist it. But by the time you now discover that there's a brighter future, a brighter benefit ahead of you, beyond what you are getting now, you kick into the matter. So by God's grace, we'll do that. That we will now call our members to give them, to make them to take an oath. I don't know the possibility, unless if our royal majesties will do that. We don't have such authorities, Then the other question, whether we go to Uyo Fort. Of course, Uyo is a short deal. It's a done deal. We are moving on the third. We are putting heads together to ensure the logistics. We are going to have a vehicle. We're going to have an accommodation and everything. We have God helping us. And with the help of all of us, the banker people, both in Nigeria and diaspora, we are trying to put together and see how definitely we are going to go. So for the communities that have not been able to raise up a number, we said we needed about 7 each. If you cannot get it, if you have about 5, that is also a good number. Then definitely we are going to go. We are good to go. So that is not an issue. It's a done deal. All right.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Just an advice.
Okay.
Like some of our people, because I came from Benin, many of them, if you are discussing this issue with them, they will tell you it will not work. I said, okay, if it will, they say, I said, give me your reason. They will tell you from the discussion from National Assembly, the 36, I think 32 or 36 states they want to increase. There is nothing like a normal state there. I said that is where people are making mistake. A normal extend to Asaba. And presently, Asaba is headquarters of Delta State. What they are trying to create is Warri State. And once they create Wari State, the whole of them, the real data, that side, they will leave. Then this one, we will rename it to our Neoma State. That is what it is. So you people should not be afraid. They say, okay, but I'm trying to advise them. Like some of them that will be watching this, they should know that Neoma is real. We will rename it if we want to rename it, but data is going on their own. They are joining Wari State. So that's how it is. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Chief Adozi. I want to attend to some of your questions. First, I want to start with our brother, Jompa, Mr. Lasker. When we want to count the number of politicians in the market today, the main politicians, I can tell you they are not up to 50. The real politicians in the market. How many SSAs or SA do we have here? Because that is the highest position the Edo State have given to the market. They are not even up to 4. They are not up to 4. And those politicians you see in the market today that you are afraid of, they are only using techniques for you. They are only using deceitful means. Okay? Have you brought anything to the market? It's you, the people. Let me give us an instance. The 2023 election should have taught everyone a good lesson. That with the influence of the OB and the obedience, you saw the numbers that drew in. Me and you, we are the real politicians, not those 4 or 3 essays that the Edo State give their positions. They are not politicians. They don't have say until you assign any power to them here. They don't have that power. And to start with, those essays and SSAs you are seeing, what is their salary? It's 100 and something thousand. Farmers here in the market make more money than them. So what will make you to think that these people can help you? They don't have any help. So any Igbanki person thinking that these politicians in Igbanki who are benefiting this kobo from these Edo people can help them, that person is deceiving himself. So let's put that aside. Then our brother first asked a question that I hope when we are going to school, if they see Chukuma, Chukuka, or any Ika name affiliated to your name, Ifeanyi Chukwu and all that, in fact, they will tell you are Igbo. They will not give you work. And history have it because of empowerment and of employment there. Some families were, in fact, subjected to answering names that they were not their names. They have to change their surnames these days. Okay? But when we join a Neoma State today, are we in minority anymore? Benika, Abo Isika, Owa Isika, Umulide Isika, Mbili Isika. The reason they are marginalized is because of our minority state. So they regard to you as outcasts. So when the food is done, they will not call you to come and eat. They will call their people first. Is it not? That's what is going on here. So that is the answer. Then our brother asked if about the mobility to Uyo on the 4th and 5th, which is the public hearing for Adama State creation. Yes, we are making arrangements for that, and I'm a member of the mobilization committee, and tomorrow we are also meeting to make sure we map out a reasonable number from the banking that will represent the banking people at Uyo. So well assured that the banking is being carried. Thank you so much. We want to entertain some questions again, because that is why we are here. A lot of persons have asked questions like, is it possible civilian leadership cannot create a state that is only military? My people, it is light. In section 8 and Section 9 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, is a provision for creation of state. And Anyoma State, like we all know, has passed second reading, going for the last reading, which is the third reading. And before the third reading, we are following the process as applied in the Constitution, 1999 Constitution. Before the third reading, we have to do what is called public hearing, and that is where we are today. And after, that is Friday, Saturday next week. After this public hearing, the bill will go back to the state, to the Senate, for the last reading, which is the third reading. Now, I want to assure us here 100% that is going to come out successfully. And after the third reading, we'll come for referendum for the people of Anyoma to say, yes, we want Anyoma State. After that, the bill go back to the president to give us that. But before that, where people are seeing this thing so difficult that it is possible, it's impossible, I mean, is because of the 24th State House of Assembly needed to endorse, okay? Now, that is where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to help. And he has assured and promised that he's going to do that for us. So be rest assured that Anyoma is coming. Anyoma is a donkey. Please, more questions, please. More questions, okay. Our brother from Iru. You have to come now, come from please, thank you.
The youth leader.
These are our brothers from Iru, another community that is sold as slave to people they don't know who they are. Okay, thank you, my brother. Sure.
Yes, I address the platform, sir. Actually, I heard what you said. I said, let me address this as a group. I'm Mr. Isioma Donald, as a controller and general immigration. So I'm the youth president for the community, also the vice president, youth development forum. So actually, we'll be hearing this immigration issue. A lot of platform is on. We are there discussing about the car, people staying in Korea, particularly. So the problem we are having now, is it possible that Iru can be included in the Anyoma due to the position we are in the two states, that our location, not position, I'm talking about location, geographical location. So that's my question to the estate that is here now. I want to continue again. Like what I heard about the banking was pulled out from a car to a dome. Here is the original land. So I don't know why people are afraid. So they were just cutting, not like people that migrated down to that. No, this is the original land. So I know they are afraid. Like what questions are doing back here is that, like somebody in the prison, they brought the key to put the preacher in go, and they brought the bread. You say, because you are hungry, take bread, because you get a better opportunity there. A local government is bigger than all this essay. That is what's happening in my community too. So I just collecting 150, maybe they don't pay me. The next thing, I don't want to leave because of 150. If you go out there again, you see big opportunities. I don't want to talk much because I have things to say. We do everything ourselves in the EU. We build the school, we build the road, we build the hospital, we fund the school, we employ teachers. The last time we went for a meeting, we had 42 teachers in Oyo about 4 years ago. Government employed 42. All schools are down, nothing. So I know this is going far anyway, so let me just stop here. So that's the question I want to ask. So that we see how we can move and incorporate ourselves too. Thank you so much.
This is a simple question. This community, is it under Iwanke?
No.
They're not under, no. It's under a CAP community. Do you have a CAP background?
Yeah, everybody.
What your ancestral belief, your affinity, your culture, everything is under CAP. Then I'm assuring you that when Anyoma State is created, this community will be created in Anyoma State. Thank you very much. If you are under a CAP, then there's a hope that you will be included in Anyoma State. God bless you. Yeah, that's happening.
Thank you. Everybody, what do you think?
The truth is this, my brother from Europe is your man, and to everybody who is listening to us, state commission, whether a Wonyeka or Nyeka, a Bini community within Union can decide to be part of Anioma, whether they speak a car or not. If they make the argument well, they can be part of Anioma. Not to talk of you, who is part and parcel by blood, by everything, that is part of Anioma. So Iru can be, the only thing is this, there is already a protest. There is already a protest. Amplify agitation. Amplify your voice. Amplifying your voice will make the necessary, the quarters that are involved to be involved in your voice. Speak so that people will hear you and know your plight. Then will not do what? Answer to that your plight. That is just all. There is nothing that we cannot achieve. Everything is achievable. All depends on how you go about it. Thank you.
Mr. Shoma, the party have taken so many steps, and I think I will tell you something. After this meeting, I will tell you the process the banking sector have taken all the steps. Okay, you do have to take the same steps and be bounded in an environment. Let me assure you that boundary is the prerogative of the federal government. King or no king does not have say. Boundary.
Thank you, sir.
Let me ask you the mapping. When we were being bounded in Edo State, when they divide Benin State into Edo and Delta, did they consult me?
No, it was a state.
Please, did they consult me? Let me tell you, it's the prerogative of the federal government. If you go to section 8 and section 9 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, you will see all the processes. Okay. I will tell you after this meeting. Thank you so much. No, don't move back in. Any question, you know, MC Bowie, you are welcome. You are an MC. I think you have questions to ask us. Some persons might have confronted you one way or the other, asking you about the possibility of a normal state. So if you have some questions, please ask us and let us. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Royal and zero. Now our prince, when he comes inside JP, the President General of our Community Development Unit worldwide. Everything that is happening here, I've been following up right from the day of reception. When you allow to go, you allow to go on it. They are learning, see, once, yeah, we keep us up, equal level, keep politicians. And then, if we are needy, each one in an area, on your pony, maybe a view, Jacob. Yakama, but you see, one in Kondo, Yakama. I can't do nowhere money, nay, Bahon, agent, come on. And the politician I do with one, I don't want to know. They are not singing well of back, sorry to say, really bad, because you were very close to a good way or all those kind of places in the name. One. Then two. We place in a column of kitchen. Nedenia ho kane ato ni subo. Nedenia ho kane ren kahu. Le ho no re we dia no we se are ake. Ale yin le chawa. Wona wona ra sna pushi ko. Ma ra ake ni ma kane mo e paro. Mo e pa. Yaro. Ore nu la hin. Look at the you feel. Afo itete. Nyo sha me ko. Ake do meni. Nede ya ho kwanson. Asene ndeni on dinkim. Achone nu we shinka ha. Akene
this country they work on Nigeria. Nede ya how they can in what they can.
Thank you so much, and I'm very happy for this question. Please, Chonono Hunter on the one. Please, Chonono Hunter. See, this question is Joe, very important, and I want you to take his answer down to everyone. On state creation, I've said it before. In 1999 Constitution, Section 8, Section 9, A1, Yamani here concerning state relation, F1, and I also want Igbo people to know that Nigeria has a constitution. Yes. We are being guided by the constitution and not by Benin Edict of 1979. Benin Edict is a law. What is in existence? It's military law. Are we under military? No. We have a constitution, and we all are being guided by that constitution. So when you're allowed to live when it comes to what you are thinking, okay? Do not be afraid. You the child one when name is Shebo. When you share boy, I'm Susan Yabi, okay. Issue who can you. The only thing is know your right and do it well. Like we read in our tradition, the Panke people are law abiding, and we will follow the law and the constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to do this agitation. I don't want to mention fight. So I think I've answered your question. Very good. Any other question, please? So do you know that let me is equal to the no, are clear? Bowie, are you clear? No, you're tired.
My Royal Highnesses, the executive of the Banking Strategy Group, the banking in general, I greet all of us. Thank God it's a new dawn in our life. I know my name is Honorable Kowase Monday Bowie. I'm an illustrious son of Omolu Banking. Today, in order to go government area, Edo State. So I know I will have one or two things to chip in for the reasons why we are here. But I was waiting for that time until you now call me because the session which we are now is question and answer. To me, I don't have questions to ask. Rather, if I'm ready to entertain questions, because I'm like part of you guys. So, by the grace of God, what I want to say here is that I want to assure my people that I'm just like an intermediary, which you know, between the Banking Strategy Group and what the agitation, what we are doing now. So I want to assure my people that let me bring this Oyibo down small so that we all understand it. Overthinking cannot solve problem. And not everybody that is in a hurry is going to the bank. Some are going to toilet. You don't understand it. Some people are afraid whether some of them so-called Udungas will allow the creation of Anyoma to be. By the grace of God, if you didn't try, you won't know where you are going. And I'm assuring us that what the people of a bank, especially through the Banking Strategy Group, is doing today is not going to be a trial by error, it's a trial for success. I have been deeply involved in this agitation, I've been deeply involved in this movement, and I've been following it continuously as I get committed to it. So my people, especially the people of the banking, we have numerous reasons. We have 1,001 reasons to say we belong to Anyoma. Is it the language? Is it the dress code? Is it the trade and commerce? Is it relationship? Is it the nearness to market? Like somebody said here today, I was one time a vice chairman of this local government. I'm proud to tell you that. But today, I think it's better I suffer in my father's lineage than to enjoy my mother's lineage. Is if you go deep, you will understand what I mean with that. You understand? Some persons will tell you this and that. To us, I don't look at people's face. I don't look at people's face. I look at people's heart. Your heart determines who you are. I was addressing some people the other day. Say, I'm simple when you are a joker, do this. And I look at them. There are many of them. 70% of them are Christian. I say, who among us is a Christian? This one says a Christian. What makes you a Christian? Is it because you read the Bible more than me, or I listen to the Bible more than you? So I want to assure the people of Igbake that by the grace of God, the creation of Anioma State has come to be, and it will remain. It's going to be successful. So what I want to advise us is that let us join the moving train now, so that we will not be left behind. A time will come when history will begin to ask, who are the projectors of this program? Who are the people that started this race? Who started this agitation? So our highnesses are here. You understand? The people that own Igbake are by the grace of God. All of us are here. You own Igbake, I own Igbake. Leaving Igbake to some person and say, maybe this man will not allow this to happen. In fact, you are almost conceding defeat. So try to push. So that as you continue to push, God will continue to bless all that you do. So I pray that the grace of God, that God will increase the strength of you guys who has taken it boldly upon yourself to say, Igbake must go out of this mess. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, MC Bowe. In fact, you almost run into our next agenda, and that is a proof of dance by myself, Ambassador Chief Judo Bekile JP, Yomekoku of Otolopo Kingdom, Chief Esama of Omoloa Kingdom, the Justice of Peace, Ambassador. Thank you so much. First of all, I want to thank our traditional rulers. For me, our traditional rulers are the stakeholders of Igbake. Because you can you see easy one. Anybody thinking either by election into one Igbake group or whatever makes him a stakeholder or more position or more powerful than our traditional ruler is already cost. And to our politicians in Igbake, I want to advise you, just like someone here mentioned, you guys are like someone in the prison